But not that. Hi, I'm Jenna, and this is Rosa.
Hi.
And today we are taking on edible cookie dough. You are seeing edible cookie dough all over your Instagram feed or on social media. Here in New York City, there's a shop called Dough where people wait in line for hours to eat edible cookie dough.
Hours.
Today, we are going to make two different types of edible cookie dough. Are you ready?
Yeah.
This first one, you might even say, is like a healthy edible cookie dough. How does that sound?
Not good. Not that good.
Not that good. All right, well, let's give it a try because we might be surprised.
Why not?
Here we go. So what we have first in the food processor is oats, almond butter, maple syrup, vanilla, salt, and baking soda. And now we are going to add a magical secret ingredient that is going to take this edible cookie dough over the top. What do you think it is?
Jalapenos?
Jalapenos. No, that could be weird, but maybe worth a try some other day. Instead, today, we are going to use chickpeas.
No, not this again.
So Rosa and I have a little history when it comes to chickpea-based desserts.
Smells like brownies with a tinge of chickpea.
Maybe a tinge of chickpea.
Let's give this a try. Maybe we're gonna be pleasantly, happily surprised.
Okay.
Go for it, just dump them in. Oops, runaway chickpea. How did, you're already giving it a smell. I think we want it to be pretty smooth because we don't want little chickpea lumps in our edible cookie dough.
That would taste horrible.
So now, I'm gonna put this in a bowl and we, here, you take this, add the chocolate chips, stir them in and we'll give it a taste. That's really more chocolate chip than it is batter, which maybe is good.
I guess I'll take the attention away from the chickpea.
Exactly. Okay. All right, now before we taste it, let's smell it. Let's, you know. I think, okay. All right, I want to know what Rosa thinks, but I will say first that I think it smells like almond butter, which makes sense since there's almond butter in here. What do you think?
It smells like chickpea mixed in with chocolate chips.
We're gonna taste. You go first. Okay.
It tastes meh.
It tastes meh. It tastes like chocolate, which is good. The texture, the chocolate's good. It's all right. It's okay. However, I have to say, like, I might have one more bite here, but that's it for me.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna try another edible cookie dough. There are no chickpeas in it. It's just lots of sugar and flour and deliciousness. So we are going to do that next. So this recipe comes from the Edible Cookie Dough Cookbook, which
Adorable.
is adorable and everything looks amazing. But the recipe that we're going to try marries two Instagram trends. Edible cookie dough and
Unicorns.
unicorns. Here it is. This is what we're gonna try to make. I don't know if ours is gonna look like this. but
Probably not.
But maybe. We're gonna do our very best. So you ready?
Yeah.
All right, so what we have first is the base of the cookie dough. We're going to take a ½ cup of this and put it into a smaller bowl to make our kind of pinkish cookie dough. And now, the trick apparently to these edible cookie doughs is adding cake mix, which is sort of brilliant. Rosa, why don't you add this? This is white cake mix. I'm gonna add strawberry to this little bowl. So is it fair to say that you have high hopes for this cookie dough?
Like you said, it seems pretty hard to go wrong.
Yes, it does. I have to say, this strawberry one smells kind of amazing.
Let me smell this.
Smell.
Oh God, that's amazing.
Right? It's cool. So mine's almost done. Yours is almost done. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're going to color the doughs to make this beautiful unicorn treat. And so what color are we gonna do each of them?
This one's blue. This is yellowish.
Yellowish.
And this is purple.
Okay.
Violetish.
So I would say start light with the color because we don't want like a, you know, this is
Too much of a
unicorn
glow.
fun. Right.
Yeah, it has to be light. Light colors.
Okay, so now I'm gonna make the pink, which, you know, maybe I'm being a little self-centered here, but I feel like it's the star of the show when it comes to unicorns. I'm gonna go a little easy to start. Wow, this is super bright. I heard that
That's
in
crazy.
any food coloring. Look how
It's
bright
like
this is.
highlighter.
It's like a highlighter. It's like we're eating a highlighter.
It's delicious.
So now, look what I get to add to mine. Oh wait, look at my fingers. Already all pink. Okay, so now we have some beautiful hot pink sanding sugar that I will magically. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty.
That's unicorn aesthetic if I've ever seen it.
I get why people like unicorn. I agree, yes. Maybe it's a little overdone, but we all need just a little more light and, you know, color and laughter in our lives.
Nice.
Thank you.
All right, I think I'm done. I need to, oh my God.
Yeah, we'll clean up. So, you know, the next thing we have to do here after we're finished making these colors is mix it all together with our hands.
We're gonna need gloves.
I think gloves is a good bet. Just add it in. I feel like this is Play-Doh. So that's actually what this seems like, is that we're playing with Play-Doh and then we're gonna get to eat our Play-Doh.
Yum. I'm worried.
I'm a little worried too. I mean, the recipe even says don't over mix. Otherwise it will turn muddy.
Oh no.
Which might still taste good. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Let's glove up.
Glove up.
You know, the blue is just so powerful.
It's gonna dye the entire thing, Mom. I think we should stop.
Just stop? So that's kind of nice.
No, that's
Let
amazing.
me see. Okay, so this is what we've got now.
Oh my God, it
Which
looks,
is pretty.
it's unicorn aesthetic.
It is, it worked. But now here's the question. Who's really gonna be able to eat all of this cookie dough?
It's a bit too much, but let's see. Let's see.
You're gonna give it a try?
Yeah, I'll give it a try.
All right, well that's very brave of you.
It's cookie dough, Mom.
I know. 1 scoop?
1 scoop's fine. Oh, 2 scoops. Why not? So how does it look in comparison to the photo?
Oh, yeah, it doesn't really look like that.
No,
so
not
this is
really.
what it looked like again in the book. It doesn't look like that.
It doesn't.
But it still looks really good.
I know.
So it smells, how does it smell?
It smells like the heavens above.
And how does it taste? Have you tasted?
That's good.
All right, here we go.
Strawberry.
Guys, it's really good.
amazing.
It's so sweet. It's so sweet. So, I am pleasantly surprised at how good this tastes.
Yeah.
Although, for me, it is a little sweet and too much.
But it's a pretty magical treat.
It is a pretty magical treat, yes. Cheers.
Cheers.
All right, I'll take one more bite. I have a crazy idea.
What?
So even though this is edible cookie dough, and the idea is you just eat the cookie dough, what if we tried to make it into a cookie?
A cookie?
Yeah, a cookie. Let's bake them.
It's worth a try. 2-inch, right?
Yeah. Oh, that looks good. Okay. All right, cookie.
Hope you turn out okay.
We never know. It might end up brown, but
Yeah.
good luck. Well, I'm not sure. This is exactly what we had in mind. Okay.
Is it doughy?
It's sort of doughy. And look, it separates, which I think is a good sign.
Okay.
Okay. Maybe not. All right, so maybe edible cookie dough is best when kept edible as cookie dough and not baked into a cookie.
Not baked into a cookie.